Construction is moving at an incredible pace, and every corner of the stadium is coming to life. New structures are taking shape, massive equipment is at work, and crews are pushing the project forward day by day. Today, we'll take a detailed look at all the latest developments, the progress made, and what's coming next in this remarkable transformation. A noticeable increase in activity is now visible in the North Goal area. Work platforms are active on both sides of the structure, with crews carrying out installation tasks along the main beam and interior zones. Metal connection elements are being fixed in place, indicating preparation for upcoming structural phases. New compression ring components are staged near the lateral corner, with yellow lifting frames attached, indicating readiness for installation. Although slightly smaller than previous elements, these pillars remain substantial. Additional steel components nearby confirm continued intensive work on the compression ring system. The lateral stand shows the most visible progress, with 2 lamella sections nearly complete and only a few panels remaining. A new lamella has been installed in the next sector. Behind the lamellas, black wall finishes and rock wool insulation are in place, preparing the facade for future glass installation. Multiple pillars in the south goal and lateral areas are undergoing final structural works, including the installation of anchor plates and large bolts for future roof and facade systems. Some completed block walls are now being painted black, while water runoff in upper zones suggests ongoing waterproofing or testing activities. The diamond zone continues to function as a logistics center, with large quantities of stored materials, including rock wool insulation. New prefabricated seating elements are being prepared for the Tribuna third tier. Interior progress is visible with drywall panels installed in areas that previously showed exposed insulation, indicating advancement in enclosure works. In the south goal, horizontal lamella supports have been installed across a new section, connecting to existing structural brackets. Diagonal anchoring elements are being added to pillars, extending lamella preparation toward the Tribuna. Nearby, pillar formwork and concrete finishing continue with active work platforms. Work in the Tribuna area is progressing steadily, with cranes actively lifting prefabricated seating units and stair modules. Several components are temporarily stored near the diamond before installation. The third-tier structure continues to advance as beams, platforms, and scaffolding remain in place to complete stair and seating details, with more deliveries expected soon. In several corner sections, most lamella anchors are already installed, with only minor gaps remaining. Structural groundwork is largely complete, while some floor areas remain excavated and await reconcreting. Recent rainfall has affected conditions, but no structural changes are visible. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you found this progress report useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next updates from the site. Stay tuned for more detailed progress as construction continues, and keep following the channel for the latest developments inside Camp Nou.